Hi, we are going to create a Django project on a virtual environment. First of all, you need to know the version of Python that you're running. For me, I'm running version 3.83. This is the command that you need to run to find that out. After that, you can have a quick run on the pip3 list to find out the available packages and dependencies that are available. Secondly, you need to go to your project folder or file. For me, it's on my desktop, and then my project is called Django e-commerce master. And then you can open your project on vsCode by just running code dot. And then your project, once your project is opened, you can check all the files that you have and you can run a pip3 list for just checking again the dependencies that you have. And then if you need to upgrade, just upgrade. After that, we need to start creating the virtual environment. So I just ran the Python venv virtual environment, and unfortunately it gave me this this error, which I found out that you need to run Python 3 venv to create a virtual environment. When you run this, it will create a folder called env. Here, you need to see it here on your project files. After that, you will see that the prefix has changed from base to env, and that's when you know you're on the right track. If you need to, if your project is cloned from GitHub, you can go to your requirements file and then install all the dependencies using pip install r requirements.txt. Thanks.